What's up guys, we're here with another video, another maiden voyage. Last time it was a kayak. Today is a BRIS inflatable boat. It's a kayak boat. So it's the first time using this one as well. We got a trolling motor attached to it. I brought my kayak paddles just in case. Oh wait, Benjamin. Okay, you want the stuff off? Here, grab it from me.
I can take it.
Grab it from that side.
Huh?
You go from this side.
Wait.
Here it goes, guys. It's in the water. Now my plate, I make this myself. I didn't want to buy anything. I just made my own. Here it goes. Let's do this. So next time I know I need dolly for the battery and some wheels for the kayak.
There's big ones.
What?
There's big ones.
Big
But those,
ones.
there's
No.
big ones.
If we were going for bait, we would catch them right here. There it goes. Woo! It works.
Wait, is it working?
It works. We're trying this out right now in this light condition because I don't want to take it out like where we at last week. The Queen Mary, it can get rough out there. So here's a perfect place to start learning how to do this one. Another one, guys. Even yours is going around. Your line. Put your line on the other side. Look, your line is right behind me. Pay attention. Benjamin, go. Get your line out. It's going on the other side. You gotta pay attention to the boat moving. It's right behind you, Benjamin. The line. Alright. There you go. Spotted bay bass. So we caught 2 bass so far, but we haven't found the halibut or any good spot yet in the bay. The only fishing pole that's caught us so far was the one with the curly tail. So the curly tail one is doing all the catching right now. Oh, I got off. Why these bass just keep getting off? That was the second bass I got off. I think my hook's too small. That's bass number 3. The curly tails are doing the job. It's a little hook. I wasn't expecting to put a curly tail on this one. Later. It felt like, oh, I think I got one. What do I got? Yeah, I got one. Number 4. I mean, not bad. 4 fish so far. Of course, I'm looking for halibut. But no halibut yet. I don't know. So you gotta give it a yank to get it caught. Benjamin's on to one. And two ginormous ones. Got it, Benjamin. Don't bring it right there. Just leave it there. right there. Hold on.
He's trying to get out.
No, remember, let the line go. No, don't bring it to the top. Let the line go. Right
Yeah.
there, that's it. Bring it to me. No. The line, just the line, the top of the line. Okay, pull it back. Ah, I got off. Another bass, it just got off. So look, just like this. Bring the fish up to me. Right here. Just like that, alright?
Okay.
Go.
All the fish so little.
28 Canal of Naples right now. Caught 5 fish so far, 5 bass, spot bay bass, sand bass. It's been pretty fun so far. Look at that house right in the corner. That's a nice house right there. Oh shoot.
Is that on?
Alright, we've gone a few miles towards the Belmont Shore area. Now we're gonna head back. Battery's running low. You see the private beaches over here. It's a whole different world out here.
Oh, it's a big one here. You take it. You take it.
Okay, you're gonna get... Alright, Benjamin just got hooked up. Handed out to me just because it's gonna get tangled up. Nice bass. There's sand bass here. Grab it. Need to move this boat. Go.
Can I bring him to you?
No, just keep them there. Hold on. They get tangled up everywhere. Don't. Let's see. No, it's sand bass, Benjamin. You got 2. I got what, 3 or 4?
I think so.
Take a bite of your fish. Heading back, the battery's getting low. Let's see if we can make it back on time. So this corner, guys, I bet you that there's fish right here, but we don't have time to explore it. Right here where it says Marina Channel or Dock, right there, I bet you it's real good.
Why don't we just fish there for a little bit?
One thing I can't believe is we haven't caught a halibut yet. 6 bass and no halibut. I mean, that's ridiculous. Oh, we're heading back. Caught 6 bass. Got a few other bites. I'm disappointed that there was no halibut. It looked like a nice area to catch halibut, but not a single halibut. So it was a good maiden voyage. We learned a lot to do next time. I probably won't come back out here to fish. I'll probably go back to the Queen Mary area, but it was fun. Alright, see you guys next time.